Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been almost a year and a half since I have put out my last video. Well guys, I am back and I am back in better this time. I have a whole different approach. I've had time off. I've had time to figure out my niche and I am back in better with even better mom content for you guys. Today, I am going to be unboxing my new camera. I'm so excited. This is the Nikon Z30. So I just got this for Valentine's Day. I am extremely excited. So let's do this unboxing together. Okay, first, you're gonna have all these papers, okay? And so this is what it looks like. So you have your cord, more papers, and then, what's this? Let's see. Oh snap, here is the camera, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at it, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, it does flip. Look at this. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. And then, oh gosh, y'all, look. It also comes with the lens. Look how big this is. Y'all, look how big this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It comes with this as well. And then we have the battery. And then we have another lens. Look how nice this is, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm coming back and I'm hitting it this time. I've had a much needed break off of YouTube, but y'all, I'm back and I'm better with mom content. If you're interested, if you're first time mom, pregnant, follow my content. I've been able to grow almost 30,000 on Instagram and over 75,000 on TikTok. So like I said, I'm back and I'm better. I've had a good break. I needed it from YouTube. And so now we're gonna do the creator's accessory kit. Let's see. Oh, if I can get it open. Okay. So this is what she looks like. So, I don't know what this means. Cute. Easy. Okay. So this is the contact on microphone. This is super nice. So you can get good speech, clarity. This is the remote control. Looks like this. And then let's open this as well. Pop that bad boy open. Okay. So this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like. And then we have this. And then we have, let's see. I'm not sure what this is. And then this is the stand, which you're probably gonna be using a lot. Okay, super nice. And then you can allow it to stand and vlog and do whatever you need. It moves. Let's see. Rotate it. It's really nice. This is the stand. Okay, guys, that is it. Everything looks extremely nice. I'm excited. So, yeah. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.